this video I'm going to show you how to download BeamNG Drive on the laptop. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Type in BeamNG Drive on Google. BeamNG Drive. And we see here the official website, and underneath we see Steam. Click on it. And then what you see, guys, is that here on Steam we can buy BeamNG Drive for €22.50. For me it is pretty expensive, but I know a cheaper way. If we go to the website G2A, G2A is the largest global marketplace for digital products. And we type here BeamNG Drive. You see we can buy it here for $11.30. That is only the half of the price. Now, how does it work? When you purchase a game, you'll get an email with all the steps what you'll need to do. And you'll also get an activation key to play this game on Steam itself. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. And then I want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.